video na for support. Te independence masuk pemain di PC barat mo. Iba speak video na for support. Tentang idah ne po flyover. Yamaha Aerox 155cc R15M version 4.0 na kana kaju MT tegoy ka Yamaha te. Kate V3. Na V2. R3 version 1. Te kita ke prop ne mentang nang ape ketika. Bawan nang tinanong tmai mo. Nanong Shillong nong tmai. Banon ketika Frank Yamaha. Te nang ne pat nginjoin nang ne pat CCR pangat. Yang salah part semat tara. Mo de pinangon tmai ne ke video jong mo. Na ke channel jong semua subscribe dan kena. Buat semua pak like mo. Ne lebih ngau duna kayak naga video juga ke banga set upload. Ne lebih sultanat mo lebih sultanat lo sebab ban komen mo kena set yang along ban sutu de bangan la ban snapa ke video. Saya hope opin ya don ka comment ka basai baklan mo. Ba beli ro ku kuiti di anga baria baro ba ni lek daga lenti ka ba jajai lek bawan ba. Te ngawan bat. Kani ke Aerox kam de jonga mo de jong una u. Bro. Jongkil tang ti don ay elis ni kum dara pe ay sat sendit ano Kennedy ay Kennedy
udah pasal lah ni
ini lengai kam la komedi la bi do sat la bi
nang kita komedi be uyo kan pasal dia Kennedy tu lah
Ya hap tungguku.
Nak tanya dia kemini lah ingat. Abang kelas. Saya kena dia peniksa.
Bam ju ibah ka dur Elius pe. Bela bang tanya kemas seksi balik Goa lah.
Go wagon tu Elius.
Yang apa kata ka Frank Yamaha? Dia nang dapat ngimik syakmat. CTCR pangat. Let's go. Ande tangga kerteng kata daerah pangat. Tadi lu kata jaka ke pangat tam. Jai. Nerung. Yang nyalap kita ki perlu kata ka company mo ka ba. Dapat sobha Indonesia. Baru kini ke badon Yamaha. Highlight ini mo wan sini. Ke pangat bagan naga jaka ibang tang dapat ro ketika umyam ka jona ka umyam dah ka dam site ba pangat tam kane ketika air pangat
Pangmat lah.
Boleh
exercise pangmat lah. Let push off ni.
Ayo bagan naga video kan niat mo lapom tadi kemat atas long mau tak kemat mo. Pangat dah. Pangat sah tak jaka ne. It's been it's my first time. Dekat sini lingkong bawan ne mo. Season ngelawan bawan national team half slap tang final. Helmet merah pe. Dia matang ilishim meta agar refreshment
Timbang mabangha.
Lah point mana lah ba. Lah balau na lah ba pang mo.
Tak balau sela. Jangan telah dia jong kita.
Dia mentayang intes nak taga sya yang taga Yamaha mo. Kabang na em taga refreshment maki ay maki. Nyates kan digesoj nyape ertat ko makono. Hoy kabang na
bau na kedut na.
Sadut be gen tu. Tambah yo kano mo tambah ang buy free mo kana lagi Frank Yamaha. Thanks to Yamaha company mo. Bagila ay. Bagila yo kana kalat. Punya once ne. Mau pekai kan mo. Balabu kana ka Independence Day. Yo. Yo we. Abiang. No, ke band. Tapi dia no band punya Egasha. Nenam. Egasha Jembam.
Ayo Nobel Championship.
Oh, ini tak hello.
Oh, kita tak ada ni. Oh, dah nanti ni bertandang ni bro ya. Ini bandem ni bro mo.
Stand in queue kerpa di riders baru iba wanang bagi para ujung iba join dari bahagia iba Shipoiru iba yang sebahagia fi baru. We request each and every one of you to kindly stand in line. We're gonna start with the group selection.
Oh, sampai sana.
So I request the staff from the Frank Yamaha.
Female
Baru
riders.
kita orang dan cedian warna ini aban jet ki balik towards your group because we're gonna have the winners and the winners will get a prize as well. So the prize for these games, it's the, I think Basam will give me the sample so that you can, so that I can show it to you. So there are numerous games. We have the Talk of War is one that is be participated in group, and we have one game that is the individual games. That is key in the helmet. Key in the helmet. Whoever can land the key within the, we're gonna measure that by a time limit. Okay. Inside, just throw your key inside the helmet. Okay, that's it. So we can, whoever is faster, he's the one who's gonna win. So here's a sample of the prize. So these are the prizes. So it's the official MotoGP t-shirt. Okay, any one of you who are part of the group, just give your best. You might take this home with you. Okay. So here's the thing. We're gonna start with the group division. We're gonna start. Okay, start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, we were getting in the same lane.
Keep on repeating.
English.
It's Hindi movie or English? Hollywood?
Hindi.
Hindi or English? Hindi. Hindi movie. Pigeon fry.
Ah, yeah! Let's go! Nice. Nice. Ah, yeah! That was a good one. Ada gajah mau, punya bam, punya besar. Apa saja? Ring, arkut lupa lah. Aku ni kalau pay ni, kering pay batu. Ôi cần mầm dai chặn mình này, bố nha. Không bắt sát thôi. Bên đây là 30 murid, masuk ingin baik. Ni là 30 murid.
Hello guys.
Oh, welcome to my channel.
Ban saya ban Shibun.
Oh, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, welcome channel to my guy.
Please
subscribe.
benar ya,
Please subscribe.
like no benar ya.
Subscribe to my channel.
Enggak benar benar ya. Nunjuk apa?
Patangala. Terima kasih ya. Oke, channel.
Ôi cần mầm trai chặn mình để
Không cần bắt sát thôi.
Khi cái này kerja kebaik kan Yamaha kemana mana kemana pempegang kemana sengau
Subang mah.
Subang boleh kerja yo
Kerja yo
turun Yamaha te
Kawai ba da ai banyak pada nang Subang shoot lemah.
wei penyang wei petrol tapi kau
Way. Lihat ikan sampai Indon Nabi. Next. What's in it? Nishan. Wait, lihat ikan sudah. Oh, almost there. Thank you, Nishan. What's your name? Huh? Diana. Okay. All the best. Wait. Almost there. Thank you.
Bisa Ivy.
What's your name? Ooh. It's group 1 versus 3. Finally. Okay, we have the winner. Cingketeng mo. Just give your name that. Okay, now the group. The leading group with the top score of 70 points, leaving behind another group with 65 points, leading by 5 points. I would like to call upon the group RX. Iba bandri saya lagi. Enden. Ah, dia ta. Leader ta. Aku abi ba Enden man sebab ben ai keniki prizes dalam group baru. All members of the group kadung idannya. See we can take. All 13 of them. Pak Menteri, congratulations.
Baru
Hah?
mesti biang.
Saan sih dan? Okay, okay. Takin ay di group 1 mo bro. Group 1 gini ya.
Off do kamera. Off do.
Congratulations to all participants who have participated and being part of this independence ride with the Frank Yamaha family. And yes, we are still awaits for the DJ. He's on the way and he will take over the rest of the evening to entertain you guys. And we still wait for him, and you can still enjoy the space. And yes, any announcement from your end?
Hello everyone, I would like to say thank you to each and everyone, especially those who have participated in this Run for Freedom organized by Frank Yamaha, right from the starting point to the destination here in Air Pangad. Thank you for your participation, your cooperation, I would like to say that I love you all, Yamaha customers, and Jai Hind, Happy Independence Day, everyone. Thank you.
Talented riders with us, you know. So
Te mentang ina sepang la move nang ne. Teng kenduk ke bala you mah. Oh, masa YouTube. Hai.
YouTube channel you?
J7 Racing.
Okay.
John official.
Oh, nice.
Basi kan ka ba pila penyat mo kana? So tunat ni.
Nakalian untuk Frank Motors di yes ni start we can do itu ni kepuas kita bukan yang chief nang perang channel itu mah. Subscribe saya ke IG itu mah.
So bang hi mo la ka game mana? So
Kita ingin gancu, dan nanti game mah persang memang.
Yang ni try dan. Nya pe smart mah. Okey mah. Itu Sarway. Penyat kan aku hino. Ada event nang ne. Ba ke DJ ka dong te DJ. Don DJ na shot na way. Shot. Sama. Te lek move na. Ma. Mi nang ne ma. Mi ni. Terus mah. Yung perikot ke game ka dong ke game ngin pe. Mono ba job, mono barama. Dan nang tapak ni.
Kena you pada don bejo. Bejo mana?
Moto di GP t-shirt. Kita bim. Kini kita subscriber. Apa merembang? Big fan. Of the subscriber, big fan. Alah, why? Kamu naik bang?
Hah? No, siapa? Elios bang sini lah.
Kamu nak lana? Kamu nak? Kita nurut ke nong tray jong Yamaha mo bala yung na. Sir. Saya kanya.
Yang bos.
Bam. Haka bam baik mana dah. Dia nya move na ren nya mi na. Let's go in pick a clip ke ba klan ba pillar ba